Everyone, on Aveneda Mediterano, Tony Scott's just went past on his push bike. He's another show I would highly recommend here in Benidorm, guys. Close up there. Just be warned though, Tony Scott, how to say this? He isn't for the faint of hearted. He's not sexist, he's not racist, he's not sizist. He just hates everyone. Me, Mike, Sue, everyone. That's how he lives. Supermarket there as well, guys. The typical Benidorm shirts as well. Good boys go to heaven, bad boys go to Benidorm, stuff like that. Of course, shoe shop. And Angel Feet, one of many fish pedicure places here in Benidorm. And of course, one of the newest sweet shops here in Benidorm, Candyland. I mean, Sweetland, sorry guys. Tons of different stuff in there, American sweets, Chinese sweets, Japanese sweets, tons of stuff in there, but still no prime. I yet to find a bottle of prime here in Benidorm. Got.
Think about that, Mark, because you still drink the stuff to the side.
Went to Aveneda, another shoe shop. I bet if someone went round Benidorm, counted how many shoe shops there are, they'd probably easily be 20, maybe even more than, yeah, probably hundreds to be honest. I know the Brits tend to lose stuff on nights out, but I didn't think shoes were the biggest sort of thing we all lose on a night out. 23 pub over there as well. Great place. You don't really think of it actually. You're probably dancing away, your feet start hurting a bit. You take your shoes off. You probably had a bit one too many, so you end up thinking that you got everything, night's over, time to go home. Meanwhile, your shoes are still in the nightclub. Shirt shop there as well. Another road down to seafront. Gorgeous day today, guys. Hopefully the weather sort of stays like this, because I mean, we've got fiestas coming up as well. Next big one is the Moors and Christians, and lot of parades for that, so you don't particularly want to be sort of stood in the rain or the wind trying to watch a parade, because I take quite long estate agents as well. Big one as well. Well, that's a good picture. Wouldn't mind that on wall in my bedroom or something. Just at Lefante Beach. That'll be awesome. Anyway, after that, in November, you do have the Peñas, which are all the sort of local friend groups of Benidorm get together, do parades, costume parades, float parades, that sort of stuff. Then of course, to finish it all off, the big one, the greatest day in Benidorm, the British Fancy Dress Fiesta, going to be bigger than ever this year, and I sort of hope it's hot, but I sort of hope it's cold as well, because last year I was sweating like mad.
You Vendome, lad?
Silver City there as well. I think this year I'll be even hotter because my costume is quite sort of thick, so that's why I'm sort of hoping for a bit of like a cold breeze throughout the day, just keep us a bit cool. Charcoal's over. I'm hoping the pharmacy tells us the temp. Yeah, 28 degrees. Not too hot, not too cold either. Because you do have the cut off up to the square, just up there, the side of Silver City. Many great bars and nightclubs up there as well, guys. Well recommended if you are a party animal. Trying to find something else I can show you now, guys. Pharmacy as well. That one over the road, it isn't 24 hours, but don't worry guys, there are 24-hour pharmacies here in Benidorm. They are quite helpful as well. I believe a fair few of them do have English speakers as well, so
Yeah, the best place if you got something wrong with you.
yeah, best place if you've got something wrong with you. Half the time, if you just walk in, sort of explain how you feel, they'll probably say that, oh, okay, hang on, go off, get some tablets and just go like, take 2 of them each day until you feel better. And
Or if you've got your tablets.
yeah, or if you forgot your tablets as well, half the time you can get them, half the time it might be like a Spanish equivalent. The grill house over the road there now, that's one of the questionable restaurants here in Benidorm. Some people are saying it is a great place to go for a meal. Some people are saying, well, it's not really the best. I have heard there is quite a long wait there for meals.
Was that good, Martin, or bad? It might be they're cooking it all fresh.
Well, yeah, there's that. Also, the question of, well, is the wait for the meal worth it?
Yeah, that's the best one, isn't it?
I mean,
At the end of the day, isn't it?
you can always say, because they're taking longer, maybe they want the meal to be utter perfection. Anyway, guys, hit the like, hit subscribe. Go check out Benidorm Mad Mike's channel, Benidorm Mad Mike, and the Benidorm Ball. Go check out Benidorm Scooter Sue's channel as well for Benidorm from the view of a scooter. And also, if you're in Benidorm and you want a great laugh, go Rockefellers and watch Tony Scott.
And don't forget to check out Benidorm Crazy Martin's channel.
Yeah, don't forget to check out my channel as well, guys. I am trying to do a lot more professional videos. comment down below what you think. Or maybe even just drop a comment, say hi, say Marcus, you're a fat numpty or something. I don't care, as long as I'm getting comments. Shows YouTube people's watching. See you soon.